If you're not leveraging AI to refine your marketing efforts, you're throwing money down the drain. Down the damn drain! The business landscape is changing faster than ever. And if you're not integrating AI into your business operations, you're about to fall behind. This isn't just a trend, it's the future. By 2025, AI won't just be an option for businesses, it'll be a necessity. So I'm going to give you 15 reasons why you need to implement AI in your business right now. Reason number 1, automation of repetitive tasks. Let's start with something basic but essential. AI automates repetitive tasks. From data entry to scheduling, AI can handle it all. This isn't just about saving time. It's about freeing up your team to focus on high-value tasks that actually drive growth. Imagine what your business could accomplish if your employees weren't bogged down by the mundane tasks. If you're not using AI to automate these tasks, you're wasting time, money, and potential. Reason number 2. Customers expect instant responses, and AI allows you to provide that with AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants. You can offer 24/7 customer support without having to hire additional staff. Businesses that don't offer this level of service are already losing customers to those who do that. In 2025, instant customer service will be the standard. Reason number 3, AI excels at analyzing data. It can process vast amounts of data faster than any human ever could. It not only organizes this data, but also finds patterns and insights you might actually miss. With AI, you're not making decisions based on guesswork. You're making data-driven decisions that give you a competitive edge. Reason number 4, consumers demand personalized experiences, and AI is the best way to deliver that at scale. Whether it's personalized email campaigns, product recommendations, or customer marketing messages, AI makes it possible. If you're not offering personalized experiences, your competitors already are, and they're winning over your customers. Think about that. Reason number 5, humans make mistakes. It's inevitable, but AI doesn't. AI systems are built to execute tasks with a level of precision and consistency that humans simply can't match. By eliminating human error in key areas like data entry or financial calculations, you save money and avoid costly mistakes. AI doesn't get drunk on the weekend. AI doesn't stay up all night. AI doesn't oversleep. AI is always there 24/7 and doesn't complain. Reason number 6. Imagine being able to predict what your customers want before they even know it themselves. That's what AI's predictive analytics can do. It analyzes trends, customer behavior, and historical data to make predictions about the future. This kind of foresight gives you an unmatched advantage in the marketplace. AI isn't just about automation, it's about optimization. It can streamline everything from supply chain management to marketing operations, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. If your operations are inefficient, AI can quickly identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies that you might not even be aware of. These are streamlined operations, which is reason number 7. Reason number 8, AI enhanced marketing. Marketing is more competitive than ever, and AI gives you an edge by optimizing your campaigns in real time. From ad targeting to A/B testing, AI can maximize your ROI and reduce wasted ad spend. If you're not leveraging AI to refine your marketing efforts, you're throwing money down the drain. Down the damn drain! Reason number 9, better lead generation. You can automate lead generation efforts by analyzing customer data, behavior, and interactions. This means better qualified leads, faster follow-ups, and ultimately more deals. In 2025, the businesses that succeed will be the ones that master AI-driven lead generation. Reason number 10, improved customer retention. AI can help you identify when a customer is at risk of leaving and recommending actions to retain them. By analyzing customer behavior and feedback, AI can predict churn and suggest targeted offers to keep customers loyal. This means fewer lost customers and long-term revenue. Reason number 11, AI-powered content creation. You need blog posts, video scripts, or social media content. AI can generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time. AI-powered content tools can help you maintain a consistent content output without burning out your team. With the demand for content skyrocketing, AI will be a game changer for keeping up with content marketing. Reason number 12, cost reduction. AI reduces operational costs across the board. Whether it's through automation, more efficient processes, or reducing error rates, AI can save you significant money in the long run. The businesses that don't implement AI, they'll be left struggling with higher costs and less efficiency. Reason number 13, the competitive advantage. Early adopters of AI will have a massive advantage in the marketplace. AI becomes standard across industries. Those who fail to integrate it will find themselves playing catch up. Don't let your competitors pass you by. Implement AI now and stay ahead of the curve. Reason number 14, scaling your business faster. AI allows you to scale faster than ever before. Whether you're expanding your customer base, entering new markets, or optimizing your internal processes, AI provides the infrastructure to scale efficiently without massive increases in cost or manpower. Businesses that embrace AI will outpace those that don't. Simple as that. Reason number 15, AI is the future of business. The most important reason, AI is the future of business. By 2025, AI will be integrated into nearly every aspect of business operations across the industries. If you don't start now, you'll find yourself behind and struggling to catch up. The world is moving fast. Don't get left behind. So those are 15 undeniable reasons why you need AI in your business right now. Whether it's improving efficiency, enhancing customer experiences, or driving revenue growth, AI is no longer just an option. It's a necessity, a must-have. If you're not implementing AI, your competitors will, and you'll be in a serious disadvantage. If you want to stay ahead and make sure your business is AI ready, I'm offering free AI audits for businesses that want to understand how AI can transform their operations. And if you already know what you want to automate and need help building it out, you can reach out to me.